We.
Sorry to disturb your work, sir, but you may want to know that your impenetrable secret base on Aquatos has been penetrated.
Impossible!
If you say so, sir. They apparently stole some sort of data disk. Well, I must be off now. Dirty laundry and whatnot.
Who is responsible for this outrage?
I believe it was a Captain Quark or something.
Oh, Janice, you'll always be the love of my life.
You really should have that looked at.
That moron could never hope to match wits with the likes of me.
If anyone can beat a moron at his own game, it's you, sir. He has, however, assembled a group of elite agents known as the Q-Force.
What? This Q-Force must be stopped. Destroy them, eradicate them, annihilate them all!
It's on my to-do list, right after folding your undergarments.
So there's our first little look at Dr. Nefarious. Probably one of my favorite villains in the entire tri-state area. No, in the entire Ratchet and Clank series.
Well, team, I believe some congratulations are in order. After all, my plan worked even more perfectly than expected. Well?
Way to go, dude?
Don't mention it. I'm just doing my job. Now that I know where the Tyrannoids are coming from, I can put a stop to this alien menace once and for all. With utter disregard for my own safety, I've drawn up an ingenious plan for an attack on Tyrannosis. First, I shall humbly step aside, allowing Ratchet to free fall down and take out the mortar launchers at the landing site. Once the mortars have been silenced, the dropship will make its descent. Next, Ratchet will take the assault vehicle from the dropship, make his way to the 4 plasma cannon turrets, and destroy them. Once the turrets have been knocked out, Ratchet will personally lead the assault on the main enemy base. All right, let's get to it! Yes, you there in the front.
Yeah, hi. I was just wondering, what are the rest of you gonna be doing while I'm down there getting blasted?
We'll be monitoring the situation closely from here. Actually, we'll be down at the lunch buffet on Deck 5. It's Meatloaf Day. But we'll be rooting for you every step of the way.
Yeah, man, we got your back.
Yeah, the plan is excellent.
Any plan that...
Heads up, Al.
Al here.
Plot a course for Sector Alpha 5.
Any plan that... doing anything is obviously not a good plan. So instead, it's a plan that involved Ratchet doing everything. Which is to be expected. How unexpected.
A new suit of armor is available at the Gadgetron armor vendor.
Ratchet, that new armor suit for sale at the vendor is constructed from ionized adamantine alloy.
Sorry, we're just gonna buy the armor. Yes, we are.
Ratchet, I couldn't help but notice that you aren't wearing your regulation green Q-Force tights. I suggest you get your butt back in uniform before I write you up for a dress code violation.
You'll get over it. Okay, while we're here, let's go ahead and do the next level of the Quark video comic. Yep, alright, so we just go in.
Quark, Comic Episode 2, Ariba Amoeba. A new evil was gathering in the shadowy swamps of Blackwater City. A horrific breed of monsters known as amoeboids, born in the laboratories of a twisted scientist named Dr. Nefarious.
To think they called me insane, Lawrence. We'll see who's insane when my pets have exterminated all life on this miserable planet!
That should clear things right up, sir. When Captain Quark encountered the amoeboids for the first time, he immediately executed Emergency Response Plan number 2.
Hey, wait just a minute.
Quark then proceeded to stall for time while he coordinated the city's defenses from the women's restroom at Galaxy Burger.
Give me that thing, you lying no-good... Right. Now, where were we? From the moment I touched down, I knew the situation called for a head-on assault. Without hesitation, I rushed to do heroic battle with the monstrous amoeboid horde.
It's time to fight live
Are these guys just gonna keep spawning? I hope.
All right, now for the fancy stuff. Press X while I'm in the air near a wall to see my awesome wall kick move. Barbecue time!
Are these... Okay, I was checking to see if there was like one hiding behind the foreground. That would have kind of upset me if I'm being honest. Can I just jump up there? Nice. Go. Oh! Ow. I mean, to be fair, I'm just trying to collect all the work tokens at this particular point in time. So we got 36 out of 100.
Barbecue time!
I don't feel like I should have been hit by that twice. Hey. Ooh, wow. Come on. For whatever reason, this is being a real pain. How do I get up there? So that will still hit me. There we go. Hey! Really? I pressed X and for whatever reason he didn't jump. Really? Okay, so when you're walking there's a delay on his jump. If you're gonna jump, you're gonna have to do it standing still or deal with the delay. Huh. Okay. So you gotta jump first and then move. Otherwise, it won't, yeah. If you're moving when you, or if you're moving when you try to jump, it's not gonna jump right. That's interesting. Oh, come on. I guess the first level, it was mostly spot jumps. So you don't really realize it. And this level is, I'm actually trying to walk and jump. I mean, as long as I know, I guess. Oh, that was messed up. Okay, I haven't found any of these in a minute. Need to keep an eye out. Ah. Oh, well, that's the life token. Yep. Unless I gotta do it again just for the token. Nope, can't burn those. Huh. Didn't know he could climb ladders. Ooh. Oop, oop, oop. Uh-oh. Oh, out of ammo. Is there anything below this? Or is this death? Oh, that's death. They just disappear after a minute. I mean, I don't know if it were me, that's... Well, that would have been a hiding spot. This is taking much longer than I had anticipated. Mostly because of all the untimely deaths. Hey. I almost didn't see that one. Two more. One more. There we go. Oh, no boss? $10K for 100, so 100 for every one.
His amoeboid army defeated, Dr. Nefarious had no choice but to flee Blackwater City in disgrace.
You've not seen the last of me. I will have my vengeance if it takes 1,000 years!
Dr. Nefarious was right about one thing. He and Quark would meet again, and sooner than he realized. For a true hero like Captain Quark will stop at nothing in the name of justice.
What? I held my breath.
Why were you holding your breath? Alright, well we bought the armor, so that's nice to have. We should be able to buy a new weapon. Alright, the Flux Rifle or the Agent's Doom. One or the other. Let's just grab the... They're nice and handy to have. Okay. Let's go to Tyrannosis for the time. Unexpected for that to take as long as it did. Oh my! Where did those guys come from? Oh Jesus! What? What? Some of these are just homing in on me. Like I was trying to hide behind this guy. That way, you know, he would get hit and I wouldn't have, and then it just like skirt around him to get to me. Well, with friends like those, who needs enemies, right? Well, we should be buying more ammo. Oh, what was that? The Annihilator. Nice to see him again. We've almost got this one at the max level too. Thank you, come again. You guys can go on ahead without me. I'm just gonna, you know, explore a little. Nothing. Oh no, I feel like I gotta be like Crash Bandicoot and all the boxes gotta break.
Jackpot crate multiplies all bolts and experience gained for a limited time.
Yep, I remember that. Got something else. Probably this instead. I was gonna use the plasma whip, but I'm just like, they're not really getting close enough for me to want to use that. trying to blow that up before it disappeared. Okay, so that's blocked off. Oh, I didn't realize before that this was deconstructible. I think I don't see you.
Nice work, Ratchet. I'm coming in on the dropship now. Go, Ratchet! Get across that bridge.
To access your world map, press select
Oh
or
boy.
R3.
I didn't expect this. Go! Go! No! Oh, square is reverse. It's an interesting choice. Okay. Get out with triangle. But so let's go back to the nitro launcher just because it's almost fully upgraded. Alright. Yes, please. Waste my ammo. I don't know if I could just like hover over that gap, but I really didn't want to take that chance. Alright. So not that direction. What about if I go in through here? Just take me somewhere. Whew, that was nice. Oh, jeez. I don't have a swing shot yet. I jumped and did it, but because the cave roof is so high. Go ahead to these boxes over here. Yep. I said this is fine. Yeah, we don't need to have famous last words. Alright. That's 3. That water looks funny. There we go. Alright. I'm glad we don't have to worry too much about like racing or anything like that right now. There may be a time. This game, as old as it is, I can't remember everything. We're way past me remembering stuff anyways. What is this? Oh, it's a trophy. I almost couldn't figure it out. I'm just like, what's happening here? Oh, duh. I know where I'm going. Uh-huh. I didn't realize I'd ran out of ammo already. Oh, they're trying to pummel me. Good, I was about to say, I hope they don't, you know, hurt me after the cutscene.
Time to finish the job, Ratchet. Get moving.
Enter the control room. boss fight. Ugh. Would not. I almost want to stay away from it. I want to get as many hits as I can in. Halfway there, huh? What's happening here? Oh.
Look out!
Oh, are we... Is this a... Oh, that's what this is. This is a run and gun type thing. Huh. I wasn't expecting that. And just being honest. Oh! I'm about to say, I don't want to jump backwards, because if I do, that's death. I don't want to die by technicalities. I think he's supposed to be facing that towards me. I'll take it though.
Captain Quark, first you made another miraculous comeback. Now you've defeated the Tyrannoids in a spectacular battle on their own planet. How do you explain your recent success?
Courage, compassion, dashing good looks, iron hard abs! Seriously though, to be a true hero of heroes, you need more than loads of charisma and a brilliant tactical mind. I couldn't have done it without these massive guns! Mwah! Mwah!
Glad to see you made it through in one piece, Ratchet. You must have quite a story to tell. Why don't you come back to the Phoenix and fill us in?
You got it. Except for now, there's battle missions. Yeah, you know what? Let's do some battle missions. Huh. Wasn't expecting this.